It's always fun when you're in a situation like this where this tree here, well, it was over the house here, and on the back side I cleaned it up already. So we're taking this guy down, but to back in here was not fun. So we're on this little cul-de-sac right here. They've got other work being done on the house, and we've got to come up here and we pull up right there. We shoot the trailer back this way. We gotta watch out for that. All this stuff here. And I'm no professional at backing a trailer up, but I'm decently good at it. And we got the house here, skid steer here. Pretty close on that side. Got the skid steer on this side. Back to the tree again. So when we pull out of here forward, then we got to back down that driveway that was on the other side. Yeah, but he's gonna help us load the bigger wood with the skid steer, so that's nice.